Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Brother ScanNCut or ScanNCut setup for labeling, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary materials. Ensure you have your Brother ScanNCut machine. Prepare your power cord and USB cable. Set up a clean, flat workspace. Plug the power cord into the machine. Connect the other end to a power outlet. Press the power button to turn on the machine. Select your preferred language on the display. Next, insert the cutting mat into the machine. Make sure the blue side of the mat is facing up. Now, grab the design you want to label. You can either use built-in designs or create your own. To access built-in designs, tap the pattern icon on the screen. Browse through the available categories to find your desired design. Select the design and tap OK to confirm. If creating your own, navigate to the Canvas option. Use the drawing tools to create your label design. Once satisfied, tap Save to store your design. Choose the material you will be cutting. For labels, a vinyl or adhesive-backed material works well. Load the material onto the cutting mat. Carefully align it with the top left corner of the mat. Press down firmly to ensure it sticks. Slide the mat into the machine until it clicks into place. On the screen, adjust the cut settings based on the material. Select the appropriate blade depth and speed for cutting. Once everything is set, tap Cut to start the process. The machine will begin cutting your design. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.